Assalamu alaikum. Welcome all kids. Today we are going to learn about 8 family words. In this lesson, we are going to learn about 8 sound. Let's hear how to say the word at.
At, at, at.
Kids, now it's time to hear a story and remember to listen to the sound of 8 words.
The cat. The fat rat. The fat bat. The fat rat sat on a mat. The bat and a rat sat on a mat. The cat sat on a mat. The bat and a fat rat sat on a cat. The fat cat sat on a mat.
Can you remember the 8 words in the story? Let's read with Aunty. Cat. Rat. Fat. Bat. Mat. Sat. Okay, now it's your turn. Read the word that are circled. Great! Hope that you have learned today's lesson. Thank you. Bye bye kids. Have a nice day.